Okay, confession time. Since COVID-19, self-care is harder than ever. So I decided, well, actually, I should say my daughter decided that I have been doing my own nails from home. And so right now you can see they look awful because I wanted to show you what I've been doing since March. I have not went into a nail salon. And you guys, I'm addicted. So, I don't sell these, but my daughter does. So she's been hooking me up. So you could say I have quite a few of these nail dashes, and I thought today would be the perfect day to show you what I'm going to put on these beautiful chrome nails. And I thought I would show you how to do it because self-care more than ever is so important, you guys. And this is something that makes me feel so good. And I deliberately took my nails off yesterday so I could put on a fresh set of nails for the holidays. And I wanted to show you how to do it. And they just make me feel really almost normal again, if that makes sense. And they make me just feel good about myself. And I love to craft, I love to plan, and I like to feel like my nails still look good. So watch, and I will show you how easy it is with these nails. Okay, instant game changer. In 5 minutes, I have beautiful chrome, amazing nails. And look at all the nails that you have left over. So you have all these nails. Like I said, you can even do your toenails if you wanted to, guys. You have so much glue that you can, and seriously, these nail dashes are reusable. For $15, I feel totally worth it. One of my favorite finds for 2020. Trust me, you deserve it. And not only do I say what I've been doing, I have been buying these obviously for myself. I'm a little addicted, but I gift these to my friends because I think they are such a good self-care COVID-19, I break up with you COVID-19 way to do your nails at home and just to feel beautiful and to feel like you're doing something for yourself. So I hope you have enjoyed this. I love you. Stay safe, my friends. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like just sharing my life. Bye, friends.